मतलब the moment you say Boston, Boston is a dream. The moment you say Columbia, Columbia is a dream. ने NYU इनके आगे क्यों चुना?
At those university having 0.2% of entry cut off, my profile actually got in.
फिर आपने ग्वालियर में आके SICS को चुना, तो क्यों ऐसा और कैसा रहा आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर विद SICS?
Said that when a student is going,
हाँ.
it feel like a family member is going.
हाँ.
When I entered, I felt like I'm entering in a family.
I have a great news, guys. I mean, it's not just a news; it's an achievement for SICS. आज मेरे साथ है मान्या शर्मा और obviously हमारे पास बहुत कम टाइम था because she needs to go to USA क्योंकि she is obviously got the visa to study in a very prestigious university and also she got the admissions from some great universities too. हम quickly discuss भी कर लेंगे फटाफट उसका, लेकिन सबसे पहली चीज ये कि आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि USA के वीजा में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. Yes, बट अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल अच्छी है और अगर सही कंसल्टेंसी आपके पास है तो वीजा तो लगेंगे. So let's meet मान्या today. Hello मान्या, कैसे आप?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. And let me just congratulate you first of all.
Thank you so much.
I mean, that's a great achievement. We all know that currently situation of getting US visas is not that easy. आप मुझे ये बताइए, how did you manage? I'm sure you wouldn't be the first one जो इंटरव्यू देने के लिए जा रहा है. आपके सामने जो लोग रिजेक्शन होके निकल रहे होंगे, तो नर्वसनेस जो घबराहट हुई होगी, उसको कैसे मैनेज किया आपने?
Honestly speaking, comparatively मैं उतनी nervous नहीं थी because I was very clear in my mind that whether I'll come out with a rejection or an approval. Because the more nervous you get, the more possibility you make of refusal.
बट I'm sure आपने बहुत अच्छा मैनेज किया होगा क्योंकि ना ये यहाँ पे कहना, I mean we know जब हम सलाह देते हैं तो लगता है कि ये सब कर सकते हैं, जब वहाँ होते हैं तो पता चलता है. I'm sure आपको फील हुआ होगा, बट लेकिन आपने उसे मैनेज कर लिया. That's a big thing. We are also as happy as you are. वीजा आ रहे हैं, सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन वीजा किस यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए आया और आपका किस किस में एडमिशन हुआ, ये बहुत मैटर करता है. मतलब द मोमेंट यू से Boston, Boston is a dream. The moment you say Columbia, Columbia is a dream. So you obviously had a very good profile. Thanks to you for maintaining all this in terms of your education standards and all. And then thanks to my team जिसने इस सबको possible बनाया. All together it went really well. अब आप जा रहे हो NYU में, right? तो तीनों में से आपने NYU चुना, which is again a good thing. क्यों चुना और कैसा आपको लगता है getting into such great universities?
Obviously, it's a privilege to get into the universities, and as you mentioned that the grades and everything just does play an important factor. But I feel like grades सबके पास होते हैं. You can you can work hard, you can have grades on your paper, but I feel like what is more important is how you present your grades, how you present your profile.
Indeed.
And I feel like I actually am grateful to Garima ma'am because she helped a lot in presenting those emotions which I held. So I had a brief discussion over a call with her explaining why I want to go into these universities, and she actually formulated my answers, my emotions, my intent into such structure that those university having 0.2% of entry cut off, my profile actually got in. It's not like, there will be people who have more scores than me, but at the end of the day, it's not scores, it's how you present. And I read and I've gone through her SOPs as well. They were out of this world and I really loved them. Reading that made me think about that, oh my god, my profile could be such strong profile. And more than that, I am quite happy going into NYU because NYU has a very diverse network. I will have
it's very good for this particular course that is management and AI.
And I actually wanted to go into the combination of both analytics and management because right now you need both of them hand in hand. You cannot just excel in business or excel in AI to actually do well in job market or industry as well. So I feel like this for this particular course, this university is great. So I feel like all of these things contributed me to choose New York University.
Superb. So you studied from Noida and you studied from Bennett, right? Your bachelor's and everything. And obviously there are consultancies and people helping students going abroad there as well. But because you are from Gwalior, still I have this question. फिर आपने ग्वालियर में आके SICS को चुना, तो क्यों ऐसा और कैसा रहा आपका ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर विद SICS? क्योंकि हमारा आपके साथ एज अ स्टूडेंट, मतलब you as a student was a great experience. You were very cooperative and it was really good. We loved it all. How did you like it all together with us for the overall process?
The first reason that why I chose SICS was basically that it felt more of like a home, that I am not talking to some consultant but I'm talking to elder brother or an elder sister
Great.
and taking advice from them rather than just going to consultancy, because as the bigger consultancy, or they are very formal in their own setups, they have their own tie-ups, they actually don't consider where you want to go. They just focus on that, they have these XYZ universities, this is more practical, you should go over here, rather than taking in consideration that what is the student's potential, where they actually want to see themselves in next 5-10 years. So I still remember the first day I came with my father at your office, and over there the first question you asked me that where do you want to go, and I was so confused, yet I broke down my bits and pieces of ideas and you formulated things for me. So that question was the one which touched me, that I want to be here because my voice where I want to go is heard, rather than just dumping information, because the more information I have, the difficult it becomes. Plus that I was working with Vinesh sir, and he was on his toes every time. So I am a very impulsive and a fidgety person when it comes to applying on universities, and he was so patient with me.
I know there were times जब आपको लगा कि अब तो यार मुश्किल हो रहा है, एडमिशन नहीं आ रहा वगैरह.
Right, and he was the person who was like, नहीं माने तुम्हारा तो हो जाएगा, नहीं माने तुम्हारा तो हो जाएगा. He was the one who was always cheering me.
Superb Vinesh sir, superb Vinesh sir.
I have mentioned it earlier as well, that this win is as much as yours as it is mine, or even more, because I wouldn't have been standing here without your support, because from SOPs, from filings to IELTS, Tarini ma'am, I have mentioned Tarini ma'am, she's a lovely lady, and I still adore her a lot.
Yes, indeed, she is.
And from formulating my documents with Shiva sir, because I was all gone about the finances, all my finances and valuation has been done by Shiva sir. I think the whole journey became very smooth because of SICS and you all, basically. And it never felt that I am working with somebody who is distinct, who is far away from me. It just always felt like, they're working for me, they're my team, we're working all together. And it's really nice. It was a very nice experience.
It's a beautiful feeling as a consultancy, right? I mean, जब स्टूडेंट जिस तरह से बोलते हैं ना, अच्छा हम क्यों सामने लेकर आना चाहते हैं? कई लोगों को बहुत सारे डाउट्स होते हैं, वीजा आया, भेज दिया, सब कुछ कर दिया, लेकिन मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स को ना सामने लेकर आओ, so that people can hear them, and that's what our one of the mottos is. When people get the visa, no, students get the visa, हम लोग पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि वो सामने आए लोगों के और अपने मन की बात बताएं. 12 साल से हम लोगों की हेल्प कर रहे हैं, और ऑब्वियसली मानने जैसे कई स्टूडेंट्स की हम लोग हेल्प करने वाले हैं, बट एक स्टूडेंट, उसकी फैमिली, सब लोग जब खुश होते हैं, एंड ऑब्वियसली ये छोटा डिसीजन नहीं है. द मोमेंट यू टॉक अबाउट बिगर यूनिवर्सिटीज, फीस भी बहुत जाती है, तो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट वन थिंग कि एडमिशन करा दिया, तो इट रिक्वायर्स लॉट मेनी थिंग्स, एजुकेशन लोन, ये वो, दिस एंड दैट, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. तो सारी चीजों में हेल्प करते 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 एक रिलेशन बन जाता है स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, एंड जब स्टूडेंट जाते हैं तो लगता है कि फैमिली मेंबर ही हमारा जा रहा है. सो ऑल टुगेदर वी एज अ कंपनी हैड ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस assisting Manya in the overall process, and she acknowledges it is something that we really admire, and we really want to thank you, Manya. At last, कुछ भी अगर आपको इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन रिलेटेड या SICS के लिए बोलना हो तो जरूर बोलें.
You just said that when a student is going, it feels like a family member is going. When I entered, I felt like I'm entering in a family.
Wow, that's a beautiful feeling. I don't know how we created it, but thankful to God, thankful to all the people of Gwalior. All obviously we do pan India, तो सभी के हम बहुत ज्यादा शुक्रगुजार हैं. और इसी के साथ कुछ भी अगर आपको हमने बोलना तो जरूर बोल दीजिए for our viewers.
I feel like you should believe in yourself, because I was a person where I thought that whether I'll be able to get into these universities or not, but when things are actually falling into place, मुझे लगता है कि for any and everybody who feels like they want to go into XYZ university, you should be determined. Every other factor, either your finances or your profile or anything, I feel like these people are here to help you, and it will definitely fall into place. But you should be confident in yourself that you want to get into these universities, and somehow you will land up. And trust me on that, because I was a person with no clue with whether I'll be able to clear my IELTS, whether I'll be able to get into universities or not. These are the people, you actually need a group of good people around you who are always supportive, and more than consultants, you need cheerleaders who believe in you more than you would want yourself. So I feel like it was a overall very nice experience.
थैंक यू सो मच मान्या. मान्या also got admission in some really good Russell Group universities too. इसको खत्म करते हैं अपन अभी के भी. बस एक बात सिर्फ ये कि आपको जाना हो नहीं जाना हो, बट एक पल भी अगर इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन आपके दिमाग में आता है, SICS से या हमसे जरूर मिलें, हमसे बात करें. We do not force you to go. We just try to open the doors probably that you are not able to see. And when you like to enter, we are always there to help you out. Thank you so much जुड़े रहिए SICS के साथ.